and aimless. All the desires and dreams are here. Right at this moment I can only feel I breathe. Nothing but collide.